All right.
LFLY.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Move so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Move so fast.
Oh.
Nvidia putting new low. Nvidia is level 1 on the daily.
Mm-hmm. Here's Docu. I'm in Docu.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I'm in Docu and I'm in SMTC short as well. Let's see what happens. Docu just produced a 5-minute opening range break. That looks good. There's M and MTN. I don't know what that is.
MTN.
That's a gap down. It looks good.
Oh, yes.
There we go.
Look at LFLY.
Yeah, it looks crazy. There goes MTN. Okay. And Docu's working. What else is going? Let's see. ARM, ARM.
ARM.
Looks like could be a 3-bar play on the daily chart.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Looks good.
Also, there's something called PI that has a gap down as well. PI. LPA. I don't know what that is. Hmm. Okay. BMEA. Looks good. BMEA. Yeah, well, it's a very cheap stock. I don't know. Gold looks good. GOLD. Oh, it's inside there. Never mind.
GERN.
Wow.
Okay.
A lot of inside day today.
What'd you say?
A lot of inside day today.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Be really, really careful. Going with small share size on things.
Oh.
Got taken out of SMTC for break even.
Right out of
Out of
the
Doc.
Daku.
Yeah, I'm out of Docu. 5-minute high. He'd get back in later, but
Yeah.
I might just wait about 45 minutes or whatever and just come back and see if there's any changes.
I know, it's kind of...
Like you said, there's a lot of just inside days, and not seeing much that I like, really like. There's some gaps that I kind of like them, but they're just not that great. They're into support or they're too far. But I think after time progresses, we'll have some levels, and then those levels will be pretty cool. Let's see here. Let's see. Take a look at my AMC position that I put on yesterday. Let's see here. Oh, nice. Well, I bought 100 shares of AMC yesterday. When it went green, and then I also bought a covered call. Sorry, sold a covered call for $8 that expires at the end of the day today. So I figured, hey, if I got 100 shares of AMC, and then I'm up like a couple $100, and then it goes all the way to $8, I could make even more money, but I'm willing to sell at $8. So I figured, okay, I'll sell a covered call as well and collect 50 something bucks. So I collected $50 for having these AMC shares, and they're going to expire today, June 7th. Wait a minute.
Our DQ, Docu, get in again.
Daku, you going long or short, man?
I don't think she heard you, Tia.
Yeah, I know.
Your microphone's so soft.
Gotta start yelling really now.
I know. Yeah. Do a megaphone.
Well, I guess going up on SLBC. What do you think, Jason?
What's up?
SMTC?
Oh, okay. SMTC? Yeah, I think SMTC could be a long. I just want to see a red bar get a red bar come in, and then it can't follow through, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
I took it short in the morning, but I knew that it was possibly a long because of the climactic nature of the pre-market.
Yeah.
So in the back of my mind, I said, well, if it clears.
Check out IoT.
Oh yeah, IoT looks great. I'm just waiting for it to clear the $30 area. gold looks good too. GOLD. I'm in MTN. Oh, BCDA looks really good. That's dropping. I don't think that's shortable though. It's like a very cheap stuff. I have a feeling, yeah, that's gonna be. I might add to this MNT.
Dang, that's all moving nicely right along.
Which one?
ARM?
Oh, ARM?
Yeah.
Let me take a look.
Looks
that's
so
the one.
good, ARM.
Yeah, just now we can get it. Just wait for a pullback.
Yeah.
Let's see here. As long as
I
it
am
stays
in
above.
GERN.
Oh, okay. Moving my stop loss and MNT above this previous bar's high. Got out of my little scalp on Docu.
Wow.
Took that long for
That's
fun.
nice.
Yeah, but it's just a quick level one to the upside. Oh, yeah, ARM looking good. See if we can get a nice pullback here. DLSK looks really great. So TA, guess what?
So,
The study works perfectly on the paper trading side.
yeah, I
Like,
don't know. I wonder why.
so weird. So weird. Like I sent you pictures. I was trying to take some trades on the paper side and it worked perfectly. I could see my blue line where I was in. I tried doing some averaging just to see if that line would change and it did.
Yeah.
And then the red line would show me where my stop loss was, and then it would update the quantity, and the open P&L. It was like, I was just like, what the heck? This is working like perfectly. Why? I was stunned. I don't know why. I really don't know why it's not working with on the other side.
Oh, wow, the market is popping up.
Oh, okay. That's a good thing. Quickly. Okay, it could be add to MNT. There we go.
Damn, that GameStop. It looks like they don't really want him to be a billionaire.
Yeah. I wonder why. What's their deal?
Yeah. TSM has a level 2 forming. TSM.
DSM?
Yeah.
Okay, let me take a look. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna move my stop to break even on MNT now. Oh, sorry, MTN. Why do I keep saying MNT?
Yeah, I don't know why. I was confused for a little bit.
I know. I do that. Just random.
I just scrambled the word.
Yeah. And I just think it's fine.
Yeah.
You guys will figure it out. There's only so many combinations.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I got the SMTC. I might try this level 1 short, and then if it fails, flip it long, since I know it's kind of climactic. I want to wait for it to prove to me. Okay.
Oh wow, look at NVAX.
Okay, let me tell you, is it dropping?
Yeah. Nice
Oh.
nice level 2.
Okay, let me take a look. And backs. NVAX.
Kind of missed that.
Yeah, that would have been a nice little thing. Yeah. Underneath the low now.
Output that thing?
Yeah, you could. You could. I think you could get down to the 1738 area. I mean, your stop loss, you just basically want it above that red candle. Oh, here comes ARM.
Yeah.
Level 1. Level 1 to the downside, and then possibly when it reaches VWAP, if it produces a level 1 at VWAP, you could go long. So you could take it short here, fails. I mean, if it goes down to VWAP, you got nice little move. I did the Al Brooks on NVAX, so I think that was a nice daily chart. I think it's going to take out yesterday's low. I mean, not yesterday's, but 2 days ago's low. DSM looks good. Level 2, but it's when you enter, if you enter the level 2, you're going to be entering after 3 consecutive green bars. So that's a little bit of a bummer. All right, there we go. A little bit lower. SMTC. I think SMTC you could short and then expect maybe low day as your target. That ARM is working.
Yeah, see that.
Heading back down to the VWAP here.
IoT level 2.
IoT, yep. Yeah, that looks good. I just wanted to break that 30, but I guess I could go in smaller shares. Nice. Look at ARM. Sweet.
Wow.
Yeah, I took ARM short, and then I also took NVAC short. I got this MTN short, and this SMTC looks good. Yeah, if ARM turns red for the day, like we'll see what it does at the VWAP here. If it curved back up, but if it keeps going down, then I basically got the higher day.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's it. Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't go back up. Let's see how far NVAX can go. We're at the moving average right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss now on NVAX right at the current bar. The current bar's high.
Yeah.
That way, if it comes back up, it's just a break-even trade.
Yeah.
But it's about a 1-to-1 now risk, because I risked the size of that bar for the Al Brooks entry, and now it's about another same size. Not sure.
A little bit hard today, huh?
I know. It's like nothing.
Yeah,
really
usually
new.
Fridays are pretty good for scalping, I noticed. But I'm doing really good so far. I've got every single trade working right now. Pretty good. I took a level 1 on ARM short. So that's working. I took an NVAX, Al Brooks entry, and short Docu. I'm waiting to go short that.
I'm green, but very little profit.
Well, that's good. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes on Fridays I just aim for quick scalps. You know, get in, get a 1 bar move in my favor, quickly take profits. But today I'm trying to see if I can let things go a little farther. But so instead of taking profit, I'm just moving my stop to break even when it goes in my favor.
Try to get in Docu again to see what happens.
Yeah, Docu is above the VWAP, but if it can break
I
the
know.
VWAP,
That's why I have to wait.
yeah, just wait for it to do like a secondary entry or something. It looks good. You could take it underneath this bar and just put your stop loss above 51 or whatever about that pivot. And that's coming back up to my entry. All right, out of NVAX. It was a good Al Brooks. I would, if I had taken the profit, would have been great.
IoT is working.
Which one?
IoT.
Oh, IoT. Yeah. Just triggered. It looks good. I like that level 2 right there. And then underneath $30, hopefully it can keep going a little lower.
Yeah.
Let's see if ARM bounces off this VWAP or if it keeps going.
Wow, GameStop is pushing down. Jeez.
Is big hard to borrow?
Which one?
Big, B-I-G?
I don't know. Sometimes I can't
It's a penny
tell.
stock.
Oh yeah, if it's a penny stock, then it's probably hard to borrow. Gold looks good. GOLD.
GRT, okay.
It's an inside day though, but that's a good pattern. We'll see. Alright, so R came back up to my entry. So I got stopped out on that. Break even again. Those 2 trades back to back. That was up on that I just got stopped out break even. So it looks like I'm not getting much follow through yet, but I'm hopeful. There we go. There goes IoT.
Yeah.
And TSM looking good. I'm moving my stop on TSM underneath this previous bar's low.
TSM I got out, kind of break even, and then it's go up. Keep going up. I'm like, damn it.
Yeah, I was looking at some of my analysis and I was realizing that all my break-even exits,
Yeah.
they usually happen based off of the candle finishing. So I was like, you know what? I need to implement that. Like, like I can move my stop to break even, but it's probably not a good idea to move my stop to break even in the middle of the candle because it'll just turn into something else afterwards,
Yeah.
So I'm trying that. Like for instance, IoT, right? Like get in, let's say you get in right here, and then this candle turns green. But then the next candle turns red. You would have stopped out break even as the candle moved up on the same candle. Whereas if I just let this candle finish, then I can move my stop to break even, I guess.
MTN, the volume is so low, huh?
Yeah, it does. It looks like it. Very slow. Got my stop above this previous bar's high. So, actually. Cancel. All right. See, now I think it's okay to get out of TSM underneath this previous bar. If that happens.
Uber has an opening range.
Uber, okay. Let me take a look. Uber. Oh yeah, very nice.
Which
That
one?
actually is Uber.
Cooper, okay.
Inside data.
Let me see. Yeah. Oh, you're right. Has an inside, yeah, opening range, and then right into a 200 moving average right below it. Dang it. Okay.
So the inside day that they charge?
Yep. Market seems like it wants to go up.
Yeah.
So that's interesting. IoT's working for us. I think IoT maybe could be at target 2970. You look to the left, right? You see that pivot? A little worried about that part, but we'll see. We can slice right through it.
On a weekly?
On the daily, I have a 2970, which looks like a pivot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This GOLD has a really nice forming of a level like 3 going on, but it's also the daily is kind of not that great. So far, this MNT looks great. Just holding. Hopefully, it keeps going. I like this SMTC short underneath this VWAP here and this doji bar. But got a break underneath that pivot there. Uber bouncing off of that 200 moving average. All right, I took a level 1 short here on TSM for fun. We'll see. Maybe back down to VWAP here could be my target. Add it to MTN. Hopefully that just keeps going.
Nice.
Yeah. I think IoT just gotta manage it bar by bar, but we're at that 2970. Let's see what happens. DocuSign looks pretty good.
Yeah.
As a pivot here, a level 2 underneath this little level 2 could be shorted. All right, TSM is working much better than I expected.
Wow.
It's funny how things are just like, well, it's not going well to the upside. I'll just flip it short, and all of a sudden you get this wide range bars just coming in. Like, what the heck? All right. Okay. This MTN, I really built my position the entire time. So I don't know where things are anymore, where my stop loss. I'm just moving it bar by bar, so that's good, but wish I knew where my real risk unit was. SMTC is still just waiting. Oh, there's this one. No. Let's see if there's anything else. NVAX might be still a good one. Could possibly do.
OTT.
What? Sorry, say that again. AODD?
No, OTT.
Oh, ODD.
And back is put in another level 2.
Oh, yeah. ODD looks great. Yeah, it's trying to get up to that 44, 30, 44, 43. It looks nice.
MTN is moving.
Yeah. I'm going to cut a little bit of the position here on TSM at the VWAP here, just in case. You can always go lower. That'd be nice, but just want to put my... So far, I've had really, really high win rate,
Yeah.
but low
Small gain.
yeah, small gains because everything just comes back. So I think that's maybe the theme for today. We'll see. Okay, I'm moving my stop loss down with this MTN.
SMTC to be long.
SMTC, yeah, there's that higher low that we thought would happen. It's right into the 20, which is a bummer.
Yeah.
On my pre-market data, I have the 20 pre-moving average hanging over. So I might not take this. I'm probably gonna wait. I want it to be above the 20 if I'm gonna take the long. But I think as a scalp, I think everything's gonna work today. It seems like if you're taking that level 1 right there, you could just capitalize on it quick, you know?
Yeah.
And the market is looking like it's trying to go higher, which is why I thought TSM could be a good short. Because I'm like, TSM is a green day right now. It should be going up, but the market's holding strong, and TSM is not. That's so weird. And that's also why I really like the IoT, because it was like, wow, this is totally bearish compared to the market. IoT is working out great. Wow. Okay, so we got under the 29.70. Let's see how far we can keep going.
Yeah.
I could see IoT getting down to even maybe 29, and then we can probably catch the knife on this and have it come back and retest that $30 area maybe. Peeling off some shares on this MTN here on 2-minute new high. The IoT as well, look at that.
Be right back.
All right, sounds good. So my biggest loss today is $5. And so far, my biggest win is 50-something bucks. So that's good.
50?
Well, yeah, because I kept adding to MTN.
Oh. Like 50?
Yeah. Yeah, so it's about 50 bucks.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, my biggest loss is like on DocuSign. That's $9. My biggest win is on IoT, and that's 15.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm
Yeah,
slightly
IoT.
green.
Oh, say that again?
Slightly green for the day.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I think IoT might be, maybe we could add underneath this green bar, but I might want to get out of it too. If it pops up, we'll see. And you see what happened to SMTC, right? You see how it hit the 20?
Yeah.
So that's what I was a little worried about there. I was like, you know what?
I was not sure about it too, so I didn't take it.
Yeah. Yeah, when the 20 is so close, I'm like, I don't know if I want to take a counter trend trade. But it looks, it looks good. Wow, look at the lift. It shot up and then shot right back down.
Wow.
Yeah. S-O-U-N. S-O-U-N. Oh, that's a penny stock. Okay. It looked good for a pattern.
Oh, Nike. Check out Nike.
Okay. NKE. Alright, Nike. Oh,
Inside there, like that.
nice pattern though.
Nice
If we had
pattern,
caught it.
yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Look at how nice that level the level 2 worked. Jeez. They sometimes can.
I think NVAX will go down some more.
I think so. I mean, yeah. Heading into where it bounced from, so I'm curious if it's gonna have a support here.
I'm out of IoT in that 5 minutes.
Yeah, me too. Ah, there we go.
Oh, Walmart's going down too.
Yeah, let's see what happens to IoT.
I was thinking of going back in on that special sauce, but then I'm like missing that. So
Oh, yeah. As a retest
yeah.
of the breakout point. Well, if it doesn't, if it breaks underneath the green bar, you can always get back in too. And that's a little bit, maybe a little bit more secure because at least you're taking it after it confirms that it really can't go higher versus just kind of jumping in hoping. Because look what happened. Let's see what the next bar does. If it goes higher, then we're like, yeah.
Oh, ODD level 1, beautiful.
Yeah, level 1. Right there, a little scalp could work.
Well,
So you take a look, IoT, right? Special sauce would have
failed.
Yeah.
But that would have been a small loss. It's not too bad.
Okay.
But I didn't take it though. I didn't take it.
That's good. Yeah, I guess.
Your MTN is still doing pretty good.
Yeah. I'm I'm just trailing it bar by bar. I think we're almost at a spot where I think we'll probably pull back from.
Yeah.
Because now, do you see how like it tried to go up on that 5-minute bar, and then put in a topping tail? So I'm thinking.
Topping tail is good.
Topping tail is good, but sometimes I notice the topping tails also seem to have it show that.
It just shows that there's some buyer.
There's some buyers, yeah. So I feel like if the buyers stepped in there, they may step in a couple bars later, again. And one of these moments.
GameStop.
What is it, dropping?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It can go back to that.
And same with. Sweet, I'm gonna get paid on my option contracts there then. Because I did a covered call on my AMC because I figured, there's AMC is probably gonna not get to $8 today.
Yeah.
I was like, if it gets to $8, then I have no problem selling 100 shares. But if it doesn't get to $8, I want to make some money by holding these 100 shares.
Nice.
So I figured, I looked at the contracts and they're like 50 something bucks or whatever. I was like, oh, great. I'll sell a covered call for $8. I mean, collect a $50, thing, and then also. Well, it looks like SMTC might actually break the 20 here. We'll see. 31.33 could be the entry. I'd like it to produce a red bar above the 20, but I'm not convinced on it yet. I'm still with the bearish side right now. Still leaning on the bearish side until I'm totally, until they totally tell me, convinced. MTN, okay, it's looking good. I might try to catch the knife on this too when I get out of it short. Just flip it long on a new 5-minute high. I think I could catch a nice little move back up to the 8 or something. It's looking good. DocuSign looks like it's just sideways right now, so I'll leave that one alone.
There's another good pattern going on the inside there.
Oh wow, look at what happened to IRT. We got out just in time, man.
I know. One thing I want to talk about is that I noticed how, we have like 6 red balls in a row, so I took a pause for kind of at the low of that red ball.
Yeah.
And then,
that was smart.
And then I was like, oh, okay, maybe we can go down some more, and then next thing you know, just shot right back up.
Yeah, I took a partial at that, what was it, 29, what was it, 50 or something?
Wow.
Because I figured that's a whole number.
Yeah, that's.
And then when you get the new 5-minute high, yeah, I got out. Because I think the same thing. It's like, if you look to the left, 29.70 was support, but it supports an area. So I figured if it gets through 29.70 and can hold, then yeah, we could see some lower. But if it gets through 29.70 and then comes right back up, probably a good idea to get out of there. All right, starting to gain some momentum on this MTN.
Yeah, that one looks great. I wish I got in it with you.
Well, you'll have a chance to flip it long, probably. I think it's getting to the point where it might go climactic. Still in this TSM short, and I have my stop now over that red bar that just finished.
Ah, I see.
Took a partial at the VWAP. What's up?
This IoT would have been a nice blow.
I know. Well, what we can do is wait for a higher low to form above the 20 now that it's
IoT for maybe a VWAP bounce back down.
Yeah, that's true. Let's see what it does here, because if it gets to the VWAP here and it gets above the moving averages, then it's going to be, scalp back down to one of the moving averages. And then from there, it's going to just probably, one direction is going to win.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay, Walmart is engulfing.
Oh, wow, look at Nike.
I know, right?
Jeez.
Look at Walmart.
Okay, let me see. Oh, my gosh. Gosh, why couldn't we get in that somehow?
Because inside.
Well, yeah, but this is a outside to the outside. This is that gap, shock gap thing.
Right. What I mean is that earlier was inside.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, I think once it triggered that, underneath 66, and you get the 3-bar play. This SMTC looks good right here for a short. It's above the 20, but I'm going to go in small shares first. at the 20 right here, so I like it. So if it fails on me, that's no problem. But I like the idea of shorting it here.
It's
Small
still
share.
above the VWAP.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with small shares to
Oh.
begin with,
IoT
and then
is
if it
breaking
fails on
that.
me, I'll.
IoT is breaking that level.
VWAP now. Oh, just imagine if we went long on that. It's so
Yeah.
random though. SMTC looking good. Hopefully, I can break the VWAP and then I can add to it underneath the VWAP. I like this MNT. Sorry, MTN is looking great.
Yeah, it looks great.
Bar by bar.
HMY could break on that level too.
Which one?
HMY?
HMY. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh wow, take a look at CLSK. That might be a level 2 right there to the upside. Only problem
Nice.
is that only problem is I don't want to take it because it's from the bottom to the top, such a wide range stop. So I'm gonna let it trigger without me and see if it can get a little. Oh damn it. Okay. Well, let's see. Should I just do it with small shares then?
It just broke. Yeah, we should get in. I go with you.
Yeah, it looks good. I'll go in with small shares then.
And I'm also try to get in ODD.
Oh, okay. Okay, took a partial on MTN. I think that this might be the low. 2-minute new high. Yeah, it looks like it. Gonna be
Oh, move too fast.
Oh, which one? ODD?
CLSK.
Oh, I jumped in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, you told me to do it.
Yeah. I said I'm going to do it with you. God. I have to arrange my chart for faster.
Yeah, definitely. In the morning, it's speed
By the
is.
time I type in, it's gone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta set up like the way we do it. We have like 8 trading chart, you know.
Yeah. We're pros. I'm joking. Although there are people that just trade one stock and they do amazing.
I know. Oh, CLSK is going up. Wow.
Oh, good. I'm gonna move my stop loss now underneath this current bar's low. I got out of my SMTC small loss. I wanted to just see if it would work at the 20, but I knew better. I knew that it was above the VWAP, so it's like gotta just wait for it to get underneath the VWAP. But now I think could try it long. I like the idea of it. Triggering. Oh, nice. On CLSK, it's really
I know.
pumping.
Make me mad.
Wow.
Well, it looks good. I jumped into the SMTC too long. See if that'll go up now from here.
Yeah, I go with you.
Okay.
Why so slow? Didn't trigger me.
Sometimes Thinkorswim is really slow. Like I pressed to take a partial on MTN, and it was like I just saw my orders just sitting there, like just hovering. I was like, oh my gosh.
By the time I got in, it's red.
Yeah.
but I got, that's okay. Put,
So we go long on ODD.
ODD.
Yeah.
yeah, I broke out again. OTT.
Yeah, looks good. I like it. Got a level 2 right there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add a little bit here to it. I think a stop loss underneath the VWAP would be the smartest place to put a stop loss on this stock, but you never know. Well, Walmart, I think that's gone without us. I would love to catch a knife on this and then catch the short on it.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, so let's see what happens to IRT. Remember how we thought it would hit the VWAP and bounce off the VWAP? So it did.
Yeah.
So, but that 20 is right there now. I don't know. I'm going to pass on trying to short it, but could be a long. Oh, MNT could be a long right here now. There we go. I'm going to try it. I'm going to take this long. See if we can get back up to the 20 here. IRT. And also TSM looks better for longs coming in soon. My stop out is where I basically go long on this, so see what happens.
Wow, CLSK.
Keep going.
Come on,
Right.
STC.
Yeah, it's not my favorite because it doesn't have a red bar, but I'm just
Oh,
but I'm still going. I'm still in it long because I like that pivot that broke to the upside. So hoping it can shoot up to at least $33.
yep.
That'd be
Now I'm
nice.
gonna put my stop on entry.
Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna put my stop underneath this green bar, this wide range green bar from earlier. Oh. Okay. TSM is I'm gonna get out of my short here. Go. Wow, Walmart. Okay.
Look at DocQ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting ready for a long on Walmart for fun. But it hasn't triggered yet, so. Waiting for that 5-minute doji bar to form. Come on, let's go. ODD, come on, ODD. Thinking it gets to 44, 44, 43 maybe?
Hmm.
Looks good. Just moving my stop loss on CLSK to the next bar high. All right. HMY might be a double bottom right here. That IoT, did you take that short?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, nice. Yeah. I
Yeah,
chickened
it's
out on
low.
it, but it's working. It's working. It's
Yeah.
at, you got right to the 8 now, so I think that's where it normally would hit. To the rising 8 underneath it.
This ODD is kind of annoying. Yeah,
Yeah.
ODD. Yeah.
Yeah, it is kind of annoying. I think raising my stop loss underneath this pivot would probably be smart rather than at the VWAP now. Hopefully it keeps going. Could maybe even add to this SMTC now and got a red bar, which is what I wanted. I wanted that red bar. So over that would be good. I think MNT hopefully can bounce from this spot. Oh, there goes Walmart.
Yep.
All right, took it long.
That's probably a good knife catch, yeah.
Yeah, I took it long. I'm thinking maybe gets up to the 6660 maybe.
Damn, kind of missed the entry.
Yeah, it happened really fast. Well, actually, it happened earlier, and I missed the entry myself. But then it came back closer to the beginning of this bar. So then I said, "Okay, I'm jumping in." This MNT looks good. I think it's going to head up to VWAP here. So that'll be a nice move.
Oh, CLEU, look.
CLEU?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You know.
Missed the entry.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
Jeez. That's wild. Amazing. All right, anybody took MTN with me long? It's looking
You know what?
looking even better
My
now.
computer's so slow.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm thinking we get back up to 169 50 at
Wow,
least.
looks good.
Hopefully we'll see. It could turn back around right here, but I'm hoping. We're just gonna get out of Walmart closer to my entry here. I don't like it anymore.
I see that.
Looked like a great knife catch, and then I looked at the 2 minute and I was like, ew, that is not nice.
That could be
Yeah, Hikaki bar
yeah.
on the next few. Yeah.
The market is getting kind of extended, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It is starting to get up there, but I don't know. I don't know. You never know, right? Take some partials here. All right. There we go. There's that VWAP pullback, by the way, if anybody took TSM with me. I'm going to pull back to VWAP.
TSM?
TSM.
Yeah, TSM.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hit the view. Yeah. So now it's working, which is good. Hopefully it gets to the high of day here. I think ODD might be done.
Yeah. This can get out of that one. ODD become a bigger losing.
SMTC looking better. Hopefully can break over this pivot here. Offer me another entry here above this. Just a little add. That'd be pretty awesome. The part that has me worried about SMTC is the fact that, like you said, the market's going up. This thing's going just kind of sideways, so it definitely doesn't have the strength that the market has.
Yeah, that's why I wanna get out close by the red bar.
Yeah.
So get in again.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. I just went in with sucked.
Yeah, it's the way it moves.
Yeah. DLSK could keep going. Let's see here. Could add on this 3-bar play, but it's really extended. So probably not going to add here. Just going to move my stop loss underneath this bar. There we go. Ooh. Okay, ODD, I might add to this, above this. We'll see.
Dang, Nike.
I thought it was, what's up?
Nike still going up.
Really? Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm going to look for, let's see here, Nike. Nike's going up. Okay, looks great. Yeah, clearing yesterday's high. Yeah, looks great. Good Al Brooks, Nike. But it's, I don't know. That's crazy. Is NVIDIA going back up crazy too? Like the market?
Nope, going sideways.
Oh, interesting. Weird. Take a look. There's the one stock that I mentioned earlier, Gold, GOLD.
Yeah.
I love this pattern that it did, how it pulled back up to the VWAP. That's so nice. That would have been such a good trade right off the VWAP.
Oh, Tesla just moved.
Let's see, Tesla.
Okay.
You know, I'm not going to trade Tesla until it gets out of this range on the daily chart. It's just basically sideways. If you look, if you pulled up the daily chart and just imagine this is a 5-minute bar.
Yeah.
But I think it could get to the 183.
Uh-huh.
So it has a nice pattern. I would just rather trade an outside day like CLSK or ODD, like you mentioned. I think those are, or MTN. It's just, you know, seems like those are just easier trades. I think I'm going to be out of CLSK in a second. $69.50. Okay.
Come on, SMTC.
Yeah, it's looking better. Hopefully it'll build. I'm seeing that the 20-period moving average on the
On
non-free
15?
market time. What's that?
On 15 minutes?
Oh, no, it's just on the non-pre-market time. It's coming into that 32, so maybe 32 is the area that it can't get past. I don't know. We'll see. See if ODD can break this. All right. Gold looking great. Okay.
OTT looks very good.
Oh, nice. Well, I'm out of CLSK underneath that 5-minute new low. ODD. I'm hoping ODD goes, but I'm just moving my stop loss up now underneath this previous bar's low. I might as well just. Oh wow! Look at CLEU. Look at that nasty drop right there. Whoa!
CL what?
CLEU.
Wow.
Doesn't look good. SMTC.
Yeah, that looks like it's need more time. Not gonna go.
Think about this thing is short on AI.
AI? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Interesting. Yeah, it's a good level 1 trigger.
MTN could be a.
I took a level 1 on Nike short for fun. Yeah, MTN could be a short, right? But they can wait for it to clear the low. This is too shallow to me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for a level 2.
Nike has a level 1. I don't know what to take that or not.
Yeah, I did it. I did it.
It's working good.
Yeah, hopefully. Well, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna work because look at like, it's uptrending. But I figured I'll try it. If it comes back down to a prior pivot, I'll go in long.
Mm.
Oh wow, CLSK took me out, and then this bar produced a Hikaki bar. We'll see what the next bar does. If it has follow through, then I'll jump back in long. And then Walmart, looks like possibly a good short coming in soon. Yeah, I think MNT might go up a little higher before it pops down. I think here's that level 1, but it's so shallow that this is where people get into trouble. They take it short, and then it pops up against them, takes them out, hits the VWAP, and then finally goes. And they're like, and it's like, yeah, well, the level 1 was so shallow that, and the stock already moved quite a bit. It needs a little bit more correction. I'm gonna move my stop on Nike to break even here. Just in case. Come on, ODD, freaking get above. Yeah. It's not looking so.
ODD could be one of those grinding stuff.
I know, where it takes me out on this next bar and then goes back up.
Yeah.
Breaks out, then I get back in, produces a bar against me, I get out, goes back up, like every single time, yeah. I'm not good at those at all. Okay, here's Walmart level 1. I don't know, it's kind of shallow.
I know.
It's like, kind of, I'm going to pass on this and only go into it when I see the 20 catch up. Oh, well, look at CLSK. I'm glad I didn't jump in just yet. Hasty, I was thinking like, oh, you stopped me out, and now I'm going to have to, jump back in long. And I said, you know what, gotta let this bar finish and see what the next bar does. And the next bar is just engulfing this bar. So that was a good, rule to have. Don't just, jump in. Wow, I can't believe gold. I missed that. And it's still going from that level 1 off the VWAP. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
How many bars now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or something. Yeah. Jeez. Amazing. I think TN becomes a higher low here. Maybe gets to the VWAP here. So I'm still in it long. And we'll see what happens. Come on, ODD. Stop being weird. All right, so now we got a clear level 3175 on SMTC. So if it breaks 3175, that'd be a pretty nice entry for me. I'm gonna put my stop above it. My stop entry above it to go long. Oh, remember yesterday that one we tried doing a transition trade on and how annoying it was all day long?
Yeah.
I went back to take a look at what happened, and that stock didn't go anywhere the whole day.
SMAR, right? Yeah.
Yeah, SMAR. It was basically a dud.
Yeah.
It was just a dud. So it made me realize that, like, trying to get that early entry, and it's just sometimes better just let it clear, really, really clear all that area, because if it doesn't, or here, the first sign of trouble could have been when you get in and it clears and then it comes back up and you're like, what? Okay, I'm just gonna get out. And then you just say, you know what? Screw this. It should have continued, not done what it's doing. So and look at Tesla, you see? Inside day and inside the range, just dud. Just a dud.
Yeah.
That's what I've noticed, like, they even talk about this on that channel that we like sometimes, that SMB Capital.
Yeah.
Picking the stocks is like the right stocks is almost more important than the actual trading of the pattern, because you can have you can be a really bad pattern recognizer. Oh my God, look at ODD. I knew it. You could be a really bad pattern recognizer and be like, not understand price action. But if you get a stock that's moving strong on a news catalyst, like has a catalyst, and is a technical level that's breaking out, then, by the way, your AI is working great.
AI is working, yeah.
Working better than my Nike short. I have Nike at break even now. If it comes back up, I'm just gonna get out. But yeah, I mean, when you have like a good catalyst, a good daily chart, a really nice like pattern on the daily chart, you could almost close your eyes and buy it. And as long as you just give yourself a wide enough stop loss, you'll probably be green for the day.
Like OTT, huh?
Yeah, because it's just like, it's just got a good catalyst. As long as you give yourself wide enough stop loss, you're probably fine, But and vice versa, if you find a really nice pattern like Tesla, to me that had a really nice, over the high, but you look at the daily chart and you're like, yeah, it's inside this kind of choppy range. It hasn't broken out of it. And then what ends up happening? The pattern just fails. Just doesn't work. Like MTN is great. It worked for me so good. The reason why? It's the daily chart. The daily chart is a gap down, a professional gap, underneath all that support. And yeah, just, had really nice opening range breakdown, and it had a really nice place to add underneath the VWAP pullback. And then I had a really nice bar by bar down. And then the cool thing is, it's going to probably turn back up, get to VWAP, give us another entry. Wow, look at ODD. Look at that shakeout.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
CLSK could be a short.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so glad I didn't jump back in long on that over that. So I got out perfectly on that. AI is the best reversal right here so far.
Yeah.
Really nice. I love that. It was how many bars up when you took it? It was
waiting for IoT now.
IoT?
Yeah.
Earlier, right? Let's see what happened to that. Oh, damn. Yeah. It looks good for a short now. It had the level 2 right there.
Yep. Hitachi and level 2.
Yeah, that's nice. I guess your target's the low of day. So I think that's a great chart right there. And you know that you're going to be wrong if you put your stop loss above $31. So you're risking about, 75 cents. It's about to 1-to-1 risk to reward, but you're assuming that it breaks the low, keeps going. Yeah,
Wow, my AI is like nice.
I know. It's working great. Nice. That's my favorite climactic for the day for sure. I love that it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars. And then not only did you get one doji at the top, you got another doji at the top, followed by a Hikaki bar. And then, yeah, it was gorgeous. Now you're starting to get the wide range bars. So that's looking good.
I get out as MTC took a big loss.
Oh
I
crap.
don't like it. I don't like the way they move.
Yeah. I got out, after I saw it going sideways. So I've been out for a while. I'm just waiting.
Wait,
Just waiting. I have my stop entry to go long.
which one?
Over the
Which
top.
one? Which one is that?
SMTC. It might just be a sideways thing for
Oh,
the rest of the day. I wanted to take it short earlier, but it just, I tried it earlier short and got stopped out break even over that 5-minute high on the beginning of the day. And then it went up. I was thinking maybe a short again. I waited for it to get underneath the view app. It never did. And I took it long, popped up, came back down a little bit, let it go sideways for a little bit, then got out underneath that 5-minute new low at 1050, and now it's going down again. So yeah.
wow,
Yeah.
AI. Jeez.
Jeez, just hold on to this. You might actually have the top of the day. I mean, your target's the 20-pair moving average here coming in.
Yeah.
So you could take a partial there, and then just see what it does. See if it does. If it can't go any higher, it may actually,
Coming back to the green for the day, thanks to AI.
Nice. That's all you need. One good trade, right?
Yeah. I'm thinking of just like stop trading in the morning, like at all.
And just waiting.
It just seems like I don't get that good odds. Like, I mean, sometimes once in a while I get like a nice move, but then most of the time it seems like I just
Yeah, I mean,
won't
look
do
at,
it.
for instance, look at look at gold, right? Gold triggered a beautiful setup at 1020. So did you really need to be in the morning watching in the morning? You could have had this gold trade at 1020 and you would have had a beautiful move, right?
Yeah.
So I think in the morning is all about
Price
discovery
Yeah.
and choppiness and really fast. Like if you get a thrust, you capture it. It's great, right? But
I think
yeah, in the morning,
I think I shouldn't be greedy in the morning. Sometimes I feel like, oh, it's a nice move. I'm holding on, and the next thing you know, it's like pull back 180.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's why I think in the morning I like to use that 2-minute for my my management.
Yeah.
Because I just don't want to, get into a trade and get back.
What do you think of that CLEU? You might go back. You might retest a high.
Let me see. CLEU. Yeah. Looks like it just triggered a level 1 right there.
Yeah.
I got taken out of Nike.
Oh, I see.
Moved my stop up to the 2-minute and took me out. I think I'm gonna try to go long on this. We'll see.
It's funny how Nike was looking good, better than AI earlier.
I know, right? It was
Yeah.
like Nike was following through and AI wasn't. And then I was like, that's so weird. I feel like Nike should not follow through.
Right. And now Nike. That's interesting, right?
You go long on Nike right here. I'm gonna try long on Nike. I like that pivot that it formed. ODD, I think, might be done.
Maybe. Well, the market is dropping, so it's definitely pulling things down, back, down.
Oh, well, there you go. That explains it. Yeah.
Did you take that IoT with me?
IoT? No, I didn't do it yet. I missed out. Shit. Okay, let me see if I can.
Still not too late, I think.
Yeah, it's not too bad. It looks good.
You still in OTT, Jason?
No. I got out at, I'll tell you what time I got out. At 11 o'clock.
Okay.
When it broke the previous bar's low. I'm in MTN long though, and that one is kicking butt.
MTN?
MTN. It's the one that I took short earlier in the day.
Okay.
Yeah, I've
It
just been
looks like
sitting.
3 ball player.
Hopefully, yeah, I've been sitting in it long
115.
since 10. What was it? 1040 or something.
Uh-huh.
Hopefully, you can get. Here's that 20-period moving average. It's catching up. So hopefully, you can get through it. Oh, TA.
Yeah.
Do it happen to CLEU?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Crazy, huh?
Right? Yeah, when you get such a steep pullback, the first, I remember always saying this, steep pullbacks, first entry pass.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. CBX. Oh, AI also. I got out of AI and stuff just because I'm break
Really?
even for the day. The ton is right there. I just gonna lock it up.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you got out of AI.
I know. I just like wanna. I'm like ring on the day. I'm just gonna because right at the moving average too. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I mean, it's that support.
That's what happened when you read for the day. You feel like, yes, the God has
I know.
give me a second chance. Let's just lock it in.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'm still in this IoT. It's not moving. AI.
Well,
Wow.
Nike's good. I took a Nike long right there, level 1. It's a little shallow of a pullback, but it's working. Hopefully it keeps going up. And then I got stopped out on MTN.
OTT level 1.
Yeah, could be. It's
No.
right at the 20.
I hate ODD.
Yeah, I hate it too. I'm not going to trade it.
I'm not good with trading those kind of move, and then because it's like a grinding stuff, and I just don't have the patience for it. I guess.
Yeah, exactly. Like you get in, it goes against you one bar, you want to get out, and then it finally goes in your favor. You're like, what the heck?
Yeah.
Especially today, Friday. So hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Walmart's at the target here. Looking good. Yeah, ODD looks good. Try it one more time. Small shares.
Yep.
Okay. I think today there's some news or something, so be careful.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, probably.
I think that's why the market is pulling back.
That makes sense. let's see what happens to your AI if it keeps going.
Yeah.
Watch it go all the way down to like $30 from here, and then keep going down. And you're just like, what the heck?
I hate that.
I know. Especially when you get the high of day, and it turns out to be the high for like the whole day. You know?
Yeah.
Just like, what? Like, how why did I get out? And then you look back and it was just bar by bar. That's all you had to do is just hold bar by bar.
I know.
And it kept going.
Yeah.
I think MTN could be a good short eventually. That 20-period moving average is catching up.
Yep.
We'll see. Nike's working for me. Hopefully it keeps going. Come on, buddy.
Yeah, the moving average is pushing it up.
Yeah.
It's going against the market kind of.
Well, that's good. Yeah, if the market bounces here too.
AI is getting close to the yesterday's support area.
Yeah.
Look at SMTC. Does it move up?
Looks good for a short. Yeah.
Yeah.
My
Get
God,
that.
I think I got into a win and look at me. I'm like watching it go without me now.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible trader.
No, you did great. I think just you take that chart and look at it later and realize that you need to journal these things or take a screenshot so you remember
Yeah.
the times that
Yes,
those
because
one
so many,
trades that could have been.
yeah, so many things go against me that I'm like I don't have to counter into whole.
Yeah. Well, it's really just a numbers game, It's like, will this trade this time around, continue this bar by bar method? Will it prove to be okay? Great. All right. Walmart's working. Move my stop loss on Nike to my entry now. All right, there we go. You could try an AI long for a little scalp back up, knowing that it's at support.
I'm thinking of calling it a day. The only thing I'm in right now is IoT. I'm just kind of like going with the moving average.
I'm thinking about getting into IoT underneath this new price action that it just formed.
Yeah.
But if it doesn't trigger, then I won't get in. Thinking basically under $30. And then I'm jumping.
Getting AI with you. But,
yeah, if it triggers, it may not trigger. Also, yeah, it could work. Hopefully it goes.
Wow, look at OTT, your OTT, Jason.
Yeah, well, I know, it's just one bar. it's not nothing yet.
I know, but it looks so good.
I'm hoping, yeah. I try not to get too excited about these things because it's just one bar.
Well, just a cheer for you.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, I feel like if I'm like, I would love it to work. I really would. I mean, every trade that I get in, I want it to work. I'm looking at Nike and I'm just trying to
But so
hope.
far, oh, this is the best chart on 15-minute chart.
Okay. Okay, well. Yeah.
Yeah. But it need to break a new high though. On the ODD, if you want to go
Yeah.
long, it has to break a new high.
Yep. Gotta break the new high. Yeah, this level 1 is not as good yet because it's just, it's got to get over that high of the day. Nike's going. Come on, buddy. Just keep going.
Very nice. Yeah, break the high. You can add to
I
that.
like AI, but I don't
I
like
don't-
the
I
average.
don't want to add. Oh yeah, I don't want to add to Nike because
Oh,
look at how many
yeah,
bars
yeah.
in a row.
Yep, yep.
You add to that, that becomes a new high failure.
Yeah.
That's like the number one thing I see happen after multiple green bars up is you get the new high failure. So just gonna definitely just keep trailing it. Yeah, AI still hasn't triggered long. Got that doji bar. All right. See here. MTN is at the 20 now, so hopefully it can break through the 20. I've been waiting for a very long time for it to get through this level. And it looks like, to me, to be completely honest, looks like it's going to fail. And I think I'll take it short eventually. But yeah, I think we'll see. We'll see. I think the trend to the downside is stronger than it breaking through the 20, but you never know. You never know. It could break through the 20 here. Nike, come on, buddy. I want to see Nike get up to 100 today. All right.
I'm not gonna revenge SMTC.
SMTC, which. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't think there's anything to do with it yet. It's just going sideways, and it's you got a support area underneath the VWAP that I would love to short, and then you got the long area above 3175. But yeah, if it just keeps going sideways, just probably stay away from that until it makes up its mind.
Oh, level 1 AI.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, small shares. Could jump in this. If it fails, no problem.
Got in,
Looks like-
yep.
Yeah, it looks good. I think target could be up to that 8-period moving average that's hanging over it. All right, Nike's working. Come on, buddy. Keep going. AI's going. Let's see if we can get this move.
God, my puppy ring the bell again.
Yeah. They're clever.
No, she just want to play.
Yeah. How old is she?
A year and a half.
Oh, so cute.
Still a puppy.
Yeah, still a puppy. Yeah.
Like you said, they know how to manipulate you.
Yeah. All right. AI working pretty good so far. Nice move on AI. I think we get up to 3060 before we see any resistance.
It's a nice
I like
little
the
bounce.
daily chart. It's above the 220
Yeah,
and it's sideways on top. On the top.
yeah,
So pretty good.
yeah. Looks good. Looks good. You know, it's ODD might get above as well. We'll see. Ooh. Okay. Nike, I'm just moving my stop loss up 2-minute bar by bar now as things get a little bit extended. You know, that's the cool thing, like you said, TA, just waiting and coming in later in the day.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this Nike trade. What an easy trade, right?
Yeah.
Just pull back to the 8 period moving average after a trend. So you already know the trend. You already know that you don't have to guess, is it going to be an uptrend or downtrend today? You already see it's uptrending.
Yep.
And your job is to just find an entry that goes along with the flow of the river.
Yep.
And, it's either going to be a pullback to the 8, a pullback to VWAP, or a pullback to the 20. And the fact that Nike pulled back to the 8 right on a mirror zone, you see how it broke out and pulled back right to that mirror zone?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's like, okay, fine, And that one entry is good enough for a day if you sized it based off of a full risk.
Yeah.
That's like this one bar, full risk, you probably could make 1, 2.5, 3R on this trade. And if it keeps going, maybe even 5R if you manage it really good. Or for another example, AI, right? This level 1 off the VWAP. Like, we already know the trend, we already know the strength is to the upside on this, so you just need to find a pullback.
Yeah.
And yeah, we know that the moving average is a little bit above it, so it's a bummer.
It's also bounced off yesterday's support too, like on AI.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Dang,
Exactly,
that's Nike.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So clean AI.
Yeah.
Very clean chart.
Yeah, hopefully it keeps going.
Now move my stop to my entry.
That's good. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then, like for instance, the only thing that we have to watch out as trying to get into trades is like, for instance, when you said CLEU to go long,
Mm-hmm.
TA, remember? You said CLEU
Yeah.
and level 1. And I'm thinking the same thing. Yeah, the trend, obviously the strength is to the upside, trend's up. But then the only thing to just watch for, since we're trying to find the trend, is those pullbacks. Are they too steep or are they too shallow? And that pullback to CLEU was just way too steep, with one bar, like too aggressive to the downside to be because technically speaking, right, a pullback is not supposed to be, its pullback is really not supposed to be a trend changing pullback. It's supposed to just be a pullback that means like a temporary relief. So if it's just a temporary relief, then it should pull back in an orderly fashion, not in a crazy, one bar move.
Yeah.
So that's the only thing I think you have to worry about as coming in later on in the day to try to find trends to trade. Is just make sure that the pullback is really clean, really nice, and systematic. And if it's systematic, then that algos are basically controlling that stock, are probably going to keep pushing it up. SMTC. I don't know. I guess underneath the view app when it triggers, but it's not going to trigger. I'm waiting for this MNT to go back up to view app here. And it's taking forever. I'm going to raise my stop loss in ODD a little higher just in case it tries to, be funky. All right, AI looking nice at that target, that first target area I was mentioning. Let's see if he keeps going. Moving my stop loss on Nike to this next 2-minute bar. Okay, ODD looking better. Break out of the top of this range, that'd be nice. Woo! Wow, AI.
AI, I already taught
Yeah,
hammer pattern.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking great. And then IoT, I'm still waiting for it to trigger underneath that $30, but I'm thinking it's probably not going to do it.